Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today. This is Steven with Old Timer Tech. And before we get started, I want to thank everyone for their support of the site this past week of us going live. Within that week, we received over 1,000 unique visitors who came to the site and watched our videos. So we thank you so much, and we hope to continue to receive that support. Today we're going to be taking a suggestion out of the suggestion box. And what we have today is regarding music and downloading it off the internet. And the question we received was, is there any way I can download music off the internet legally? In today's society where people are using Pirate Bay and BitTorrent, that is actually illegal. And today we want to show you an actual way that is still legal to download music and completely free, because you can get very expensive downloading music off iTunes in a hurry. So the way to do this is you're going to go down to Safari, and you're actually going to open up a new tab. So let's go to Safari. And then you're going to go to we're going to be using a tool called YouTube to MP3 converter. And this site is very, very good. The one I recommend is youtube-mp3.org. And it's very, very easy to use. All you're going to do is you're going to copy a YouTube URL and paste it into the little address bar here. So let's go ahead and go to YouTube. So you're probably all wondering, how is this legal? How can you still be able to download music off online without getting any legal repercussions? The way it works is, being that YouTube is so easily accessed by the public and people are actually posting these videos up to the site, you can actually download the audio from them and turn them into an MP3. So all this does is you take the URL or the video that's posted on YouTube itself, and then you copy the address to it, you put it into that little converter, and that takes that video file and converts it into an MP3 that you can actually save into iTunes. So I'm just going to go here, get an example for us. Let's see here. Alright, so now what you would do now is you would get this address bar up here, you would copy it. And the way you can do that is you can do Command-C on your keyboard, or you can go to Edit, the little drop bar there, and choose Copy, whatever you choose to do. Go back to the YouTube to MP3 converter tool, and then you're going to take that address bar we just copied and paste it into there. Now this is a very important step. Make sure you click on Convert Video. There'll actually be a picture of the video you saw on YouTube up, just to make sure you have the right one. Go ahead and click download. And then this will download to your download folder you have on your computer. And actually, if you have iTunes as your default player, it'll actually open up automatically into iTunes and actually save the file there to bypass the whole importing process. So what I like to do is I like to find the file that's in iTunes that got opened up, and I like to rename it so I can easily find it later and put in appropriate playlists that I want to put it in. Okay, just to recap everything we went through, what we're going to do is, in this process, you're going to go to Safari or your internet browser. You're going to open up the YouTube to MP3 converter we showed you, and then open up YouTube and find any URL. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this is best used with a lyric video or anything that seems to be posted by a person versus a corporation like Vivo or the Vivo music videos, because it may pop up that this is copyright protected. So don't worry about that. If you do, you can find a lyric video and you can do it from there. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting our website. We definitely appreciate it, and we hope to continue to receive it. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you next time.